안녕하세요.
Welcome to Hello Hangul Company. Today, we're putting those blocks together. We'll learn how Korean letters stack neatly to form syllable blocks, just like Lego pieces or Tetris tiles. Think of them as tiny puzzles. Once you know how they fit, you can make real Korean words. Every Korean syllable starts with a consonant, that's called the initial sound. Then, we add a vowel, the middle sound. Let's try one together. When you put k and a together, you get da, da. That's our first Korean syllable. Easy, right? Now where do we place the vowel? If the vowel is tall, like a, or e, it goes beside the consonant. If the vowel is flat, like o, u, or u, it sits under the consonant. Tall to the side, flat to the bottom. Can you say it with me? Tall to the side, flat to the bottom. Perfect. Sometimes, we add one more consonant at the bottom. That's called a final consonant, or bachim, the last sound that closes the block. Watch this. When you add the final consonant mi under ga, it becomes kum, law. Hear how the final, mi sound, seals the syllable. Think of the bottom spot like the floor. That's where the final sound rests. Repeat after me.
감, 감.
Now let's practice building a few together. Remember the order. First, a consonant plus a vowel makes one syllable. Second, an initial consonant plus a vowel plus a final consonant also makes one syllable. Great job! You just built real Korean syllables. Now you can make your own syllables, and soon you'll be reading real Korean words. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson.